What's going on? This is James with JRideReviews. Today, I have another epic review. I'm over here at Craft Nissan. You already know. Getting it in, as you can see. Check out the inventory. But anyway, today I have a class exclusive. I have a 2022, the totally redesigned Nissan Frontier. Just came off the truck. We had to literally pull the plastic stuff out. They did their little inspection on it. A lot guy went and got gas in it. Class exclusive, man. Y'all check this out. Here she is. So basically today we're going to go over some of the features. Y'all hang tight. Scheduling kind of conflicting. It's supposed to be a customer coming to check it out, but in the meantime, in the between time, I'm gonna go ahead and go over some of the features in this thing, let y'all check it out for yourself. Like I said, brand new to Tallahassee, man. First one here. So as you already know, my main man David Tompkins over here. Y'all come and see David Tompkins at Craft Nissan. Also come check out the whole team. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be biased to one or the other, but that's my contact here. And y'all come and check him out, as well as the whole team. We'll get you hooked up. JRideReviews, another exclusive 2022 Nissan Frontier SV. It's got the 3.8 liter V6, 310 horsepower with a bunch of other technology stuff. Totally redesigned. I can't wait to show y'all this thing. Y'all hang tight. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. We are in the back seat. Were y'all concerned about leg room? Shouldn't be. Feels really comfortable back here. Good seating position. Plenty of space. You can seat 3 adults across comfortably, I would think. I'm 6'1", 6'2", whatever I am. You know, as you get older, they say you get shorter. I'm getting old, so. But anyway, we're gonna go over the into the motivational minute. I'm gonna keep riding. It's all books. But anyway, man, y'all check out my other video that I just posted about the YouTube journey so far for me. And I was asked once again, what is it like to be a YouTuber? And so y'all can check that out. That'll be the video that just uploaded to my channel. By the way, I need y'all to go ahead and hit that subscription button, bell notification for all, which will let you know when I post short videos, YouTube shorts, as well as the full videos like this. And once again, if y'all looking for anything in particular, let me know down in the comments below. On my social media, Facebook, James Cunningham Jr., my Instagram at JRideReviews, my Twitter, JRideReview, everything JRideReviews. I also got onto the TikTok thing, so that's at JRideReviews. But if you go onto my main personal page, James Cunningham Jr. on Facebook, there's links to each and every one of my social medias. So start there. And then I also have a Facebook business page, JRideReviews. Excited to be here, man. Thank you, David. Once again, you gave me another exclusive of 2022. But today's motivational minute, stay happy, man. Stay prayed up. Be good, man. Be blessed. Enjoy and trust the process. Don't get discouraged. Don't back off. Keep doing what you're doing. Some dealerships don't want me. Some dealerships don't want me to do my video. They're not sure. They're not sure about what I do. But I'm gonna be me, and I'm gonna do me, and I'm gonna continue to record these videos for y'all, man. This is what I love to do. No matter where I go, how far I climb high, how low I fall, I'm gonna get back up. So stay motivated. Don't give up on your dream. Don't put everything that you got into your job. Be your own boss. We're all bosses. God designed us to be bosses, man. And we can do this. And stay true to this. I'm telling you, I'm living it. So anyway, motivational minute, just stay motivated. Keep going, keep pushing. Love thy neighbor. Show gratitude to everybody. My gratitude is my new attitude, and that's what I'm sticking to. So I love each one of y'all. Thank y'all for, I reached a milestone on my subscriptions. I'm not gonna go into details. I need y'all to check the channel out and you can see for yourself, and we'll go from there. All right, so we got the customer. All right, JRiders, had a little technical difficulty with my camera, but we are back in business. We are driving the 2022 Nissan Frontier SV. It's got a 3.8 liter V6, 310 horsepower, totally redesigned.
That's right, first time since 05.
05.
I was overdue. We are excited about it.
Man, what was I doing in 05? Getting in trouble in Orlando. Yeah, I was getting in trouble in Orlando, Winter Park. I'm sorry, Winter Park. I'll be back one day. Hopefully everything is straightened out by now. Not real trouble, but I had some friends. Parents ain't gonna watch this, I don't think.
Yeah, as long as the parents don't know.
So yeah, we are back. We're gonna take it for a spin. Everybody's been trying to get a hold of this thing. I've been here for a little while. It's been crazy trying to get this truck, I mean. But like I said, total redesign. I call it the Army Green. Y'all can't miss it. You'll see the other parts of this video. And for me, even Dave was saying it, from my perspective on the redesigned Pathfinder, which is pretty much the same setup, it seemed way more peppier so far. And he said over the old model, he felt the difference. So
a lot faster.
Yeah. Tell him a little bit about it, Dave.
Well, yeah, it's a complete redesign. You're getting the technology, you know, standard with most of these days. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all the safety features, your blind spot warnings, your lane departure warnings, automatic braking up front, rear automatic braking. You're getting the whole package here. This one's got some extra stuff on it, so you get the heated seats, remote start.
I saw the heated steering wheel too.
Heated steering wheel too, yeah.
You can't beat that, you know. It's got the cloth interior, but they're nicely appointed. Everything feels good, so. And you can obviously upgrade to the more higher packages if you would like. So I'm just glad to have it. It's brand new. It has 5 miles on it. So Dave hooked me up again. Appreciate you.
Absolutely.
He always hooks me up every time. So this is pretty cool, man. At least y'all kind of get some kind of perspective on it. And of course, you can always come by Craft Nissan and check it out for yourself. It's not gonna be here long, so y'all gotta. That's another. I try to give you another advantage. Is she on the? Oh, I thought she was on a wheelchair thing. I felt bad, but at least y'all can get a look at it through my video, and then y'all can go from there and hopefully find one somewhere. Get with Dave.
Yeah,
I'll have his information down there.
They're hot.
Yeah, I'll have his information down in the description. I may even, if you want me to, I can give him your number.
Put it out there, man.
Okay. So y'all can call him and see when they got more coming in. So let's see what she does here. Ride quality is real good. Definitely feels quicker than that Pathfinder. Yellow light. Oops. So we're gonna take it around the block here once again and kind of give y'all my perspective and go from there. So what's been up with you, young man?
Just working. I had the holiday weekend off. That was nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Rest up.
Good stuff. How many days you have off?
I had 2. I had Sunday and Monday.
Oh yeah. The dealership was closed, obviously?
Yep.
Good. That's good. When you're on local like that, you know, they can do stuff like that. Some of these big corporate chains.
It was last minute though. We were going to be open yesterday.
Oh yeah.
We got a nice little text message on Sunday afternoon.
That's always a good thing. Hopefully early enough on Sunday afternoon so you can still get it in.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So first things first, like I said, the ride quality is really good for a pickup truck. It's very quiet in here. I don't hear too much of anything. And especially with the profile, you know, a lot of times you expect wind noise, but I don't even hear anything, so it's pretty cool, y'all. I like the hood. It sticks out, you can see over the top of it.
Yeah, it's got a beefier look to it.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
It is. It's always cool to drive something brand new too. And that TRX is still here too, y'all. When I did a video on a little while ago, Hemi supercharged, so come check that out too. And then of course you can always go on their website and check out the inventory as well. I'll have that down in the description too. And of course you'll see it on all my social media. And I'll tag Dave in it so you can get his information as well. So we're gonna make it work. Teamwork makes the dream work. Full tank too, y'all. Come and get it. Real quiet, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
For a pickup truck. Are they planning on doing anything with the Titan? Any redesigns coming up with that?
Probably not. He got a slight overhaul a couple of years ago with the 9-speed transmission over the 7-speed.
Okay.
Kind of touched up the grill a little bit, so we probably won't see a change to that for another couple of years.
Okay. And do they still offer the diesel?
They got rid of the diesel in 19.
Okay.
Who knows if it'll make a comeback or not.
Okay. So I did a review on that one as well.
Yeah, so those are a rare find if you can get one on the used car market.
Okay. Give it a little moop.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what it's. Oh. Wow. Kicks down hard. Okay.
Move though.
Impressive. The old 9-speed dropped down a couple of gears there. Oh yeah, it does have a manual option here. No paddle shifters, but it is a pickup truck, so you don't expect to have paddle shifters on a pickup anyway. But you can drop it down here into manual. Man, not be crazy trying to roll through 9 gears. So like he said, this has the lane departure. I saw on the window sticker had the tech package, all kind of goodies there for y'all too. So you know, you get a well-appointed vehicle at this price point. touchscreen to reverse camera. You'll see that in the other part of the video earlier on. Got everything you need. That's impressive.
That's good. That's all uphill too.
That's all uphill. Very good stuff, Nissan. Y'all did it again. Nissan's always, to me, always had powerful engines, V6s, 4-cylinder, whatever they made. They always found a way to make it more powerful than what you would expect. But 310 horsepower, y'all, is not something to call a lightweight like myself.
Oh, you got a 3.8 liter V6.
Sweet, man. I'm just impressed by the ride quality. It's soft, but it's not like wallowy, like, oh man, let me slow down. This gives you the good confidence around the corners and the straight line as well. Steering is nicely weighted too, so it doesn't feel light like you're just kind of holding on. Does this one have that feature where it'll straighten itself back out, like if I'm going over the line?
So this one's got your lane departure warning. It doesn't have the lane departure intervention on this one.
Okay. It might not be on yet. Okay. That intervention is pretty cool though. If y'all find one with that, that is pretty cool. It'll recenter you basically.
Yeah, it's going to use the brakes on one side of the vehicle or the other to give you some resistance there from drifting any further.
Okay. And I remembered this time.
That's right.
I remembered. I said I ain't gonna say nothing because I know you usually when I come right above the hill, you're gonna say like right there, right there.
I'm gonna let it ride there.
Yeah. Well, this is the typical test drive route that y'all take.
This is it.
Okay.
Come get yourself a free test drive.
Let's do it. Test drive that I hopefully turned into a sale. Like I said, this one ain't gonna be here long. I've seen what, 3 or 4 people since I've been here checking it out. I just like how that feels. Shifts nice. Back to back to back. Here we are coming up behind Walmart. Almost back to the dealership, but like I said, hopefully during this little bit of a ride, y'all can see it. I know you can't feel it, but you'll definitely hear it. So use your senses to kind of get a feel for it. That makes sense?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, I don't know.
Just roll with it.
I was just rolling with it. There's Wally World. Like this car behind us is like, you want it? But I'm very impressed. And yes, you can feel the weight difference between this and the Pathfinder. Definitely. And they will have a 4-wheel drive, I'm sure.
Oh yeah.
Okay. This is a 2-wheel drive SV model.
4-wheel drive options, and it's offered in the Pro 4X as well.
Pro 4X is a nice package.
So there's the Pro 4X. It's going to give you that 4-wheel drive. It's going to give you some Bilstein shocks, some skid plates up under that as well. Some of you guys might be familiar with the Desert Runner. That was a 2-wheel drive option. It was offered for a while. That had a locking rear differential. That's actually going to kind of get a a little bit of a change there. They're going to have the Pro X, so it's not the Pro 4X, but it's a Pro X.
Okay.
So it'll be two-wheel drive with that locking rear differential, and you'll get those Bilstein shocks and those skid plates under the vehicle as well.
Okay. Where you want me to put it at?
I can put them back over here.
Can I just pull it in?
Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna back it in for us.
Okay. This guy pulled the old one there. So that's it. In conclusion, awesome truck, and we'll go from there.